It's coffee time, because I just took a nap.
What are we doing today?
We're going to a car meet, and it's cold outside, and I'm tired. So
It's not that cold.
It's 40 degrees. I guess it's not really that bad. It's much warmer than it has been, but we're getting coffee because I'm sleepy.
We are getting coffee because we're both tired. But today's like the first, it's not actually the first car meet of the year, but it pretty much is.
That was deep.
It's like the first big car meet of the year. So we get to go check it out. And first we got to get coffee.
So we're going to do that. I'm going to show you what we get. Wait, I was wiping my nose. You can't show that. It's so good.
What do we get?
I got a warm peppermint mocha, and Alex got a frozen cinnamon roll mocha.
Ooh.
And I'm so excited. I'll hold this.
I'm driving now.
Yes, now we're gonna drive home. We have about an hour and a half before the meet, and it's only about 25 minutes from the house, I think, if that. So we're gonna relax for a minute. I might do some homework.
We also got to drop off the roll of tint that we just picked up.
We do have to do that. So we're gonna do all that, take a little minute to relax, and then head to the meet.
See some cool stuff.
I hope so. Been waiting for it.
Are you excited?
I'm tired but excited.
Woo!
Woo! So we'll see you when we're on our way to the meet. Let's get started. Because we forgot. Guys, what would you do if your boyfriend's about to break up with you and brings you a thing of fruit? That's what my TikTok just said. Anyway, we're going to the meet. So we're on our way. We are going to be meeting up with London. That's all I think so far. So yeah, just London. It's in Westland, Michigan.
It's at Westland Mall.
Westland Mall in Michigan. I think it's at a Macy's. Oh my gosh, the sun.
The Macy's is closed, so it is outside the Macy's.
So, hoping it's gonna be a big meet because I've been waiting for one.
And it's actually warm today.
I will have a coat on anyway. But
I mean, it's not, by warm, I mean it's like 40 degrees.
Because it's been like negative 18 here for some reason.
It's been crazy cold.
But we are on our way. It's a beautiful day out. And hopefully you'll see some beautiful cars.
And we didn't get to take the Beamer?
No, Beamer's still being worked on, as you guys know, so. But there is a lot of progress happening right now. So
Lots of progress.
It is very exciting. And with that said, we will see you when we pull up to the meet. We're here. NPC meet. Yeah, don't park too close. I have an embarrassing car. We're in the edge, and I don't want people to make fun of it. So we're gonna park kind of far away.
Kind of far.
It's definitely the most embarrassing. Oh, no, never mind.
Yeah, no.
But we're not gonna say which one's the embarrassing one, but it's not mine. We're here. So, what is the game plan?
Game plan? We're early.
So we're gonna sit in the car for like 20
but
minutes.
Surprisingly, there is a good amount of people here. I also have to use the bathroom.
Are you kidding me? I literally went before we left, so we didn't have no
I did too. But then you gave me this.
London's here. Yeah. How's your race car?
It's getting there.
Nice.
Is your race car further than my race car?
Probably not.
Aww.
Doubt it.
At least the engine's in.
Yeah, I mean, we got both engines in. That's a start. You guys need to get out of here. Okay. No.
Well, that was fast.
Did you get that on camera?
I got half of it. Where are we going?
We got kicked out. Kind of.
We're going across the street.
Literally across the street.
They said you can't hang out at Macy's, you gotta go to somewhere, some great building. So that's where we're headed. See you in a minute. New meat spot. Doo-doo. I hear the cops.
We're going across the street.
The ops are coming.
Doop, 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 doop.
There's a Beamer in front of us.
Across the street. Doop, 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 doop.
Beamer in front of us.
It went from a car meet to a rev battle to what?
A takeover.
And it's cold, so we had to warm up.
My phone died, so no more footage on the iPhone. No more shot on the iPhone.
So very successful. This car meet turned into Detroit's biggest car meet all over again. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check it out. One of the top corners.
Yeah. We'll see what happens next. We're taking a little break.
Yeah, we're taking a warm-up break.
One didn't move this car because he almost got killed.
Still cool. Still.
This is insane.
Insane.
It is, the meet started at 4, we moved parking lots right away, it's now almost 7 and it's still going crazy. It's pitch black outside, I have no clue what's going on, it's the end of the night, good night. These are cute cars.
All the chaos and destruction and then 3 cute cars.
I like them. We got hungry.
I'm sure you can still hear it, but it is still going on. It's
7?
7? It started at 4.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And it's still packed.
Yeah. And we're not very far from it.
It's loud. We went in the car because the GoPro died, phone died. It hasn't calmed down. It's getting worse. It is going insane. And it's starting to move to the street. So I don't know how the cops haven't been called yet. Because they should have been.
Well, supposedly all the McDonald's employees are just sitting there watching.
Why not?
Because that's what they said.
But I guess we'll see how much longer this goes on.
Detroit's biggest car meet, part 2.